Hello, I'm Todd Hamlin. I had 2 total knee replacements at Athens Orthopedic Clinic. Both my knees were filled with arthritis and they were popping and grinding. My legs began to bow outward. It became apparent that I needed to do something when my wife was walking behind me one day and said, "When did you become bow-legged?" My experience at Athens Orthopedic Clinic was very successful. Both knees were replaced. I did mine within 90 days of one another. I did exactly what the doctor had told me to do. I did exactly what the therapist told me to do, and I was able to get back in and get the other one done. Right after the surgery, all the arthritis pain was gone. The first 48 hours is the toughest, and once you've made it 90 days, you're a new person. At least that was my experience. All my life I've been active in athletics and sports, and as my knees began to get worse, I was finding that I was limiting myself in the activities that I used to enjoy doing. I didn't want my physical inability to keep me from doing the things that I actually love doing in life. Now that I've had both knees replaced, I picked back up all those activities. I've actually lowered my handicap in golf. My bowling has gotten better, and did have a very successful hunting season this year. When I met Dr. Ryan for the first time and we discussed the surgery, there was 2 things that I'd asked him about going into the surgery. I said, number 1, I want you to get my legs straight again, and secondly, I want you to get the surgery right the first time. And he was successful on both things. One other thing I will say about Athens Orthopedic Clinic, with my busy schedule, I don't have time to wait 2 hours for any type of doctor appointment, and I never waited longer than 15 minutes for any of my appointments, whether it was pre-surgery or post-follow-up visits, and I really appreciate that. I would absolutely recommend anybody who is experiencing knee pain or discomfort to look into getting a total knee replacement at Athens Orthopedic Clinic. Get it done and get on with living your life pain-free.